So what are you doing today, Mikah?
So we're going to do a cake. We're going to do a cake, but the theme is a show that's from Nickelodeon, but it's on Netflix. Do you know what it is, Daddy?
What is it?
It's Oddparents.
Alright, you ready to start it?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's make the cake. I pour it in this bowl.
You can let JC help you.
Aww.
So what we're doing is we're going to mix up the cake mix. We're going to put it in here, put it in the oven, and then we're going to make up the colors for the icing.
I can do it by myself. Ooh. Is that the oil?
It's the oil.
I want to do the oil.
You do some of it and then let JC do the rest. Just a little bit and then let JC do it. Alright, you guys ready to stir it? Well, we gotta put eggs in it too.
Ooh. Oh no, shell.
I got just one piece. Let me get your spoons.
Are you so excited to stir?
Right.
Ooh. That's a knife.
This is spoons. It's got just a little edge on it.
Whoa. Look at the egg, JC. Papa found the egg.
Get the corners.
Wee. I'm jumping on my head. I'm jumping on my head.
Yeah, make sure to spray all the sides. And JC here, you can have this for. Press it down. That's okay.
It's what the butter wanted to slide in its own
Press it down.
throw up.
Whoa, that's it.
Exactly.
Good job.
She got it on her finger.
Okay, let's pour it in there.
Okay, let's do it. Whee!
There it goes.
Hey, Daddy, did you watch Oddparents when you was a kid?
Of course.
And guess what? Me and JC watch it now.
Yeah. Alright, now we gotta put it in the oven.
Okay, so,
Let's put it in the oven.
come on.
I'll let you open it.
Okay. Oh, that's hot.
You know what? I might put it with the pan. There we go. Be a little bit easier to get out of the oven.
So here's all of our colors. And we got our icing in.
So we're going to put just a little bit of icing into a bowl, this white icing. And I'm just going to put just a little bit. And so what we can do is we have some vegan food coloring. What's the green? So this is our green. So he's got a lot of green in his hair and his eyes. So go ahead and put maybe 3 drops in it. We'll start there. Let's see, can you do it?
I can.
1, 2, 3. Let's see what that looks like. So
That was like 2 eyes and a nose.
so let's see what happens when we mix it together.
Ooh.
Whoa. Alright, how about you put 2 more drops in it? 1, 2. That's good.
Did you know it could do that fast?
No, so a little bit goes a long way with this. This is actually a little thicker than I thought it would be.
So we needed 5 drops.
Actually, put 2 more drops in there. We're gonna make it really good.
Can I close this?
Hold on. It's not as green as I want it to be.
How many more drops?
It's making the consistency a little weird for some reason. Yeah, do 3 more. Let's go ahead and finish this out. 1. Okay, that's good.
2, 3, 4.
So this will be our green. We will squeeze out of the corner after we cut it. I'll go ahead and force this kind of down a little bit. So now we're going to do pink for Wanda's hair. Goodness. Frosting.
Okay, how many drops?
Let's start with 5.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Oh, that's
6.
good. That's good. That's what it looks like.
Ooh!
Wow. I added a tad bit of water to this. It actually helped a little bit.
If we had
Just a couple drops of water. Looks, man, this looks a lot better. The consistency is just really thick.
So is this going to be a chocolate food cone cake?
Yeah.
Is that making tan? Oh, these are so well.
That was a big drop.
That was a big drop.
The yellow.
Get the yellow, get the yellow, get the yellow.
A lot of yellow.
How many drops?
3. That's good. Let Bubba get the icing and then you do the black, okay? A couple more drops. There you go. Squeeze it. Squeeze it tight. Hey. Now stir it.
Oh no, it's turning gray.
I know. Isn't that weird? You just add some more black to it.
Is it hardened?
Okay. So we're going to try this. We don't know if it's going to really work or not. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip it. And hopefully it'll fly without ripping their faces off. But we'll see.
We're gonna get our hopes up.
Obviously. So it did show their faces a little bit, but I think we could see enough of it that it's still worth a try. What we should have done is we should have got a paintbrush and put butter or something and put it in every crevice. So as you can see, it's still like stuck on. It's.
Are you ready to do the food coloring? The green. We're gonna start off as this color.
So let me see if I could spread this. Wow, it is like not even dried yet. So I'll put his hair on, but we might need to let this dry some more. Yeah, we're going to let this thing cool for just a little bit more. I mean, for their eyes and stuff. I'm going to stir this up in this water, make it a little thinner. I'm using a plastic syringe to use as their eyes. So we're going to do green. It's okay.
I did it.
Good job, Micah.
All parents fail on cakes. Oh, geez.
So now we need to do the
Bow tie?
the tan. So we got Wanda's face. I'm gonna go ahead and just try to give her some kind of a smile.
Okay, drink it all. Drink the rest. You want Bubba to drink it?
Guys, you can't. I'm trying to do this. And Cosmos. Oh, I'm running out. This would be the handle for their wand. Looks like a tad bit better.
Here's our cake that we made. It took a very long time, and we have finally done it. We've been waiting for this day for many days, and we have done it. Okay, JC, are you ready to eat the cake? Okay, so do you know how I said there's going to be a surprise at the end?
Mm-hmm.
Well, eating the cake is a surprise.
You eat Wanda? Let me scoot your chair a little closer.
Oh, no, I gotta go like that.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Did you eat Wanda?
Yes.
That's a lot of cake.
Yep. Guys, you won't believe this, but I'm full already. I feel already, too. I'm full already. I feel already.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Listen, my peers. You're eating your favorite appearance.